Everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So this writing task 1 having two pie charts were part of 25th January 2025 in India. So if you are from another country, you can always tell the type of question that you had got in your IELTS exam, and what you are going to get in this video. We will talk about rules, we will talk about your errors, how to write introduction, overall paragraph, body detail 1 and body detail 2 also. If you want to write small paragraph about the general things, you can write it. Okay, so let's start. When you will get your question paper, means fix your time for 20 minutes, not more than, just limit your time. Definitely there will be clocks, or if you are doing computer based, so on screen time will be there, time will be displayed. So not more than 20 minutes, and for 40 minutes for essay. In 20 minutes, first 3-4 minutes, please plan, or you can say analyze the chart or diagram whatever they have given. So first step we will be doing it, and then you will write. At the end, spend at least 3 minutes to find your own errors. So I will show you. When I was reading it, I have got my own errors, so I have not corrected it. See this I have done it with pencil. That's why, so that you can get your own mistakes. So many mistakes you can get by not putting comma, or by like, see this, instead of employee I have written instead of employees I have written only employee. So these were the major mistakes. You can find it easily when you will be rereading your writing task 1 after finishing your writing. So after getting the question statement, first look at the diagram. So I can see here there are two pie charts with different categories over here, 5 here and 5 here also. But in actual exam you will not get colorful one. Okay, so make it sure that they can make it plain, then little bit lighter, so, or dark, lighter, and grayish, light black, light gray, this kind of thing they can give it to you. And the question says, the chart below shows the types of communication training taken by employees in an international company and reasons why they took part in this training. So these two pie charts having different headings. So first they are talking about types of communication training taken by employees here, and reasons why they took part in this training. Okay, so there are two types of topics over here, one for this, second for reasons. And now how to do analyzing. I am doing analyzing only. So after getting question paper, we know 20 minutes we will spend, and in out of 20 minutes, first 2-3 or 3-4 minutes we will analyze the diagram. First I have read the question statement. I have come to know that they are talking about some communication training and the reasons they are talking. Now let's read the categories or groups. So pink one is intensive training, blue one is distance learning, then self tuition, then part time weekend, finally yellow one is part time evening. This is part time weekend, this is evening time. Here the reasons why they have adopted these kinds. So communication with clients. So because of communication with clients they have attended this training. It was 10%. Personal interest is 14%. Business travel is 17%. Holiday travel is 46%. It means this and this. In these two in these pie charts, we have highest category is 46%, that is holiday travel. 39% is part-time evening. Okay, and other reason is, the yellow one is other reason. So unknown reason you can write it synonym, as a synonym. Now highest is this. Okay, so you can write highest. In short you can write highest, and lowest is just 10%. This is lowest. And here these two are same. Either you can combine these two categories while writing sentences, writing details about it. And this is first I have written, and then these two are same, so you can analyze the thing like that. Okay, now here they have already given percentage properly. For these percentages you can use percentage vocabulary. Okay, so vocabulary like how I have only 12%. No, this is not 1/7. Instead of 17th, I have written 1/7. This is also, this is known as percentage vocabulary. Now, rules 150 minimum words. Okay, so that doesn't matter that this is pie charts. You can easily write 170 or 180 or 160 words. But in map diagram, sometimes it is not possible to write more than 150 or 140 words. Then doesn't matter. But you write it properly without any errors. Errors, as I told you, when you will finish your essay, writing task 1, then you have to reread your writing again to find any punctuation mistake, to find any spelling mistake, and repetition of words. That is important to find. Then format of this writing task 1, first you will write introduction, overall paragraph, body detail 1 and body detail 2. Here in one this body detail you can talk about this category, and in last body detail you can talk about this category. Got it? Or you can combine the information. Now let's write introduction. Okay, you must be thinking why I have done this orange one, is circle one, because these are the words we are going to write it again and again. So it's important to find synonyms for these words from Google while doing practice. Okay, so that will add the dictionary in your mind, vocabulary dictionary in your mind. So let's write introduction. So as you know, introduction means paraphrasing of question statement. The chart below shows, I have written the given pie charts. We know, in fact, there are the given two pie charts illustrate instead of, because I don't know how they have written wrong. The given two pie charts, we know it, illustrate, that's why illustrate is coming. Employees had communication, had attended. See this is also my mistake. Attended. Okay, this is D. So had attended communication skills training in an international company, and as well as also you can write and displays the factors. Instead of reasons I have written displays the factor, display the factors behind taking part or undergone such training sessions. Okay, the statistical data is calibrated in percentages. So green underline words or sentences, you can say these, you can use it as a template in any writing task 1. But in diagrams you can't write it, like map diagram, process diagram, you can't write this language. Okay, this statistical data, because that does not have any statistical data. So overall paragraph, overall what we have seen, majority of the employees have taken these courses because of they want to have what is this, holiday travel. They want to enjoy their holiday travel, and here majority have attended part-time evening classes. So this we need to tell to the examiner in overall. Overall, it is clear from the graphs that most staff preferred to attend. Now instead of employees, I have changed the word. Most staff preferred to attend a part-time job. It is not job actually, this is my mistake. Part-time training. But again I am telling you, repetition of words are not good. Training, with most opting for the evening time. The main reason for this, people wanted to have or enjoy their holiday travel. Okay, so this is overall paragraph. Now we will talk about this pie graph. Okay, pie chart. So this is the highest, this is lowest. Lowest is distance learning. So how I have written, see this. Analyzing the first pie chart, it can be noted that the proportion of part-time training on weekends the proportions of, instead of percentage, the proportion of part-time training on weekends and in the evening were 39 and 22% respectively. So because this and this, they are part-time training. This is going for weekend, this is going for weekdays, means evening time. So that's why I have combined the information. In the evening were 39% and 22% respectively. Now full stop is there. Now I am going to talk about this one, self tuition. Self tuition training or apprentice shared the same percentage level as weekend part-time apprentice. Only 12% of employees felt the need to attend intensive apprenticeship. Okay, only now talking about 12%, that is intensive training. So only 12%. So I have not written percentage for self tuition because that I have written inside here we can write while or whereas. So contrastial words you should write it. Whereas self tuition training shared the same percentage level as weekend part time apprentice. Finish. Only 12% of percentage of employees felt the need to attend intensive apprenticeship, while the least favored session was distance learning, which only had 1/20th, fifth, or in bracket I have written 5% employees or professionals. See this also I have written. Now this one, this is the largest share, I can see it. Looking at the diagram in more detail, see this my second paragraph. Looking at the diagram in more detail, comma, the major reason responsible for these training sessions during weekends was holiday travel. The training session during weekends, so major is during weekends. No, it is evening time actually. See this is all mistakes. You can find your, it is evening time. Was holiday travel, which was nearly half of people. Means instead of 46% I have written which was nearly half of the people. Okay, next, 17% of professionals claimed that it was to help business travel, as well as 17%. So business travelers, green one is 17%. After this is the second one. So what is this? 17% of this the professionals claimed that it was to help business travel, as well as 1/17 took part in communication with client. Okay, it is not 1/7, it is 1/10. Okay, took part in communication with clients, because here it is given 10%, and there were 13% employees who took these training classes for other reasons. See this, 13% is for other reasons it is given. So that's the thing, we can always describe the things over here.